I kind of make an announcement. I will be moving out soon, so this is just a video showing off my humble abode from the perspective of me. There's my ring light right there. I'm going to be doing a tour of my room. This is my TV where I play Xenoblade Chronicles X and jack off. Pretty much that's it. You got all my lovely consoles down here. You can see I got my MSI Trident 3. Got a little penis there. Got my Wii U, my 360, which likes to turn itself on for no apparent reason. My PS3, Xbox, what is it? Xbox One S, PS4 Pro, and my Switch, and an old speaker I don't use anymore. Here's a speaker I do use. Currently playing some Xenoblade music, if you can't already hear it. Some good shit though. Ah, fuck. Now let's get up from this epic gamer chair, right? Which, by the way, that is what it looks like. I can't really zoom out on this. But fuck, here's behind the TV, because I do have stuff back here. Got a speaker set up. There's where my gamepad is. Where all the masturbation happens. You know, we gotta get that fucking... gotta get some of that air freshener in here to fight off the gamer stank. You know how it is. Anyways, over here. Got some amiibos. Got some amiibos. Let me move my microphone real quick. Whoa, that almost fell. Okay, shit. Okay, so I got some battery should run out soon. Fuck you. Okay, I got some amiibos back here, some Zelda lights back here with some more amiibos. Got some books, that I don't read. I probably got a fuck ton of dust on them. Some other amiibos. Got Ike, Lucario, and you guys don't care. I'm really just doing this for myself, so that way I remember what this room was like before I leave it. Okay, 1-8%. Okay, so here we go. There's a music poster because I fuck with music. And fuck. Okay, there we go. Microphone is good. So this is what I see when I game. Whoa, there's a stream right there. Just kidding. But that would. Whoa, that's really pretty. Ooh. Okay, I'm like really close to my phone right now, but okay, but anyways, it's been around, got all my lights there. This room is not as bright as it's showing up on the camera. I'd just like to add that, but oh well. I've got my ring light set all the way up. There's a bunch of shit. We got some shit over here. Got a raccoon right back here. Got Mario. Got this little piece of treasure. A bright neon red Joy-Con signed by Charles Martinet himself, the Mario Man himself. Got my 360 games here. Got my Wii games, right? Got all my Wii U and PS3 games. Got my former Epic Gaming chair right here. We got some more amiibos over here. We got this game cover for Alex Rider Stormbreaker, one of my favorite games ever, on the Game Boy Advance. Got this little shit. I'm not going to open it right now, but maybe later. I don't know. Got my old 3DS right here. It doesn't. I mean, it kind of still works, but the B button always presses itself down for whatever reason. Okay, so amiibos up here. I'm going to stand up once again. Woo, look at all these amiibos. I'm not going to list off every single one of them, because I'd be here all night. Which I plan to go to bed in a few minutes, so. There's one of my most prized possessions, dumbass. Metroid Prime Trilogy Premium Edition. It is fucking like, it's metal. You can hear that. That's fucking metal, you bitch. Here's a cool picture of my grandpa when he was young. He was young and gunning, slanging all kinds of pussy. I shouldn't be saying that about my grandpa. But anyway, we got all kinds of amiibos up here too. Got a link light, get it? Like the YouTube channel. I don't know. That's kind of more an inside joke. Got some Wii remotes running down here. Got some dead Christmas lights that I use for my lights that you can kind of see in my streams. Right? So here is just to run it back. a 360 view. Not really, because this camera is really fucking close. I don't know, maybe not. Okay, but anyway, there's kind of a 360 view of my shit. Yep, a bit a lower one, so you guys know exactly what I see. Because why the fuck not? I really wish I could zoom out a little more. And a higher, wow, holy shit. And then a higher view. There we go. We also got a fuck ton of alcohol back there. But yeah, got some other shit, got some other artwork up there. My ring light, of course, which is probably way too bright. And me, hi, why did the screen go black? Hi, fuck you, I love you. But anyways, I will not be streaming for a while. There we go. Well, that's really, okay, that's really pretty though. Anyways, I will not be streaming for a while. Because I'm going to be moving out. That is the main reason I'm making this video. Also, peep the poor cable management here and back here. It's not that great. Really isn't. Oh, also, here's a dumbbell I use during my streams to fucking to lift trash box. Got the fucking teams over here. Let's go, my dude. Anyways. Yeah, that's really about it. I suppose we could do my actual room now. Just got a cat in there, so we'll go there real quick. And here is my room. I don't know anything about this being clean or not. It definitely isn't. I got some wires down there. I did not bother to clean this up at all. But let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is my rig with all of my shit. There's a box in here. I don't know. Okay, we'll put this on top of the Xbox. We got the main CRT. This is where I have my GameCube N64, and where I used to have my Super Nintendo and NES plugged in, but I don't have a lot of space over here. So I've got, oh shit. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely getting a new fucking whatever. Got all these Xbox games and a shitty Xbox GameStop controller. Oh, fuck. That definitely came off the hinge. See, look at that. You know what? I'll fuck with it later. Oh. Wait, never mind. I fixed it. Okay. Cool. And then... Oh, these fucking games, dude. Look at this shit. Got some NES games back there. Got Madden 99. Let's go. All of these games in here, baby. Mario World. And then behind this, a bunch of 64 games that I'm not going to pull out. Because I don't feel like pulling out, baby. Busting all kinds inside. Anywho. But anywho, here's my setup over here. I was actually watching YouTube, but I haven't been in here in a couple hours, so yeah. PS4, the KKK Nintendo Switch, and PS2. Like I said, watching YouTube. Yeah, boy. It's clean as fuck. In here is actually a dresser, but still. In here, got all kinds of games and shit. Right, all kinds of controllers back here. I'm gonna try to open this up a little more without it falling. Got my NES Classic in there as well. I don't ever use that. Even though I almost played through the entire Legend of Zelda on it. Here we go. There's all the PS2 and PS1 games. This is where these boys stay. This is one of my most prized possessions right here. I love these figures. Persona 3 FES and Shin Megami Tensei Persona 4. Some more PS2 controllers back there, PS1 controllers. Don't matter, baby. I have an AMD video, which I still have yet to watch. And the rest of these drawers are just fucking closed. So, closet came out of that a while ago. My cat is probably also residing in it. Actually, you know what? Got some posters up here. These are a little sad story behind these. These are the paw prints of my first cats that I ever got, and some little hair samples there. There's some on the right, but it's just white hair. But yeah, that's all there is there. Spurs. I mean, Not really a Spurs fan. It's just shit to decorate my room with. And this fucking mess over here. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go through all of this. There's the second PS1 in this video. We got over here PS4. We get just a bunch of boxes. Switch. I have 2 switches, by the way. We're gonna go down here. Oh fuck! I'm getting old. Xbox One box, Wii U box. I don't know why I'm getting all this shit on camera, but fuck it, why not? Why not? We gotta get every single angle. You know what it is, dog. Got some Shonen Jump in there. Haven't read that in a while. I'm not a weeb. I am no weeb. Trust me. Get some Windex. I don't know why. CD cleaner for scratched up discs. Still haven't tested if that actually works yet or not. Like I've used it, but I've never seen if those discs still work. See if my cat is in here. No? Okay. He must be. He likes to hide. So you see this blanket I've got in here, right? This is actually a wall. Say hi. Hello. Why are you watching American Pie? You fucking pervert. Anyways. Yep. And then this is where all the virginity happens. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Heated blanket right here. This shit is phenomenal. And this is actually... Did you need something? I don't fucking think so. This is where I keep all of the virginity stuff. Got a copy of Sonic Rivals. I have a ton of shit in here, like my original Game Boy, which I do not plan on using anymore. Got my PSP down here. Yeah, it's my pretty small penis, dude. Okay. Yeah, there really isn't much in here. Just a couple controllers. Pro controller back there. Tissues, again, where the virginity happens. Bunch of issues of GameStop. So now I'm gonna lay down and show my future self what this room looks like from this perspective, where I'm usually at, laying down on the bed. There's my dick. What the fuck? Okay, so yeah, closet out there, some posters, got some other shit. Yeehaw, brother. Pseudo curtain right there. It's actually a blanket with a pillow attached to it so sunlight doesn't peek through the side. I'm a fucking genius. Yeah, like I said, Pro controller. Boom. Let's play some games, fellas. Woo. I was playing some Xenoblade 2 earlier. Trying to watch some hentai. You know the fucking vibes, my dude. But yeah. That's really good, I guess. Oh, one more thing I forgot to show where on my stream setup. Okay, so in the middle of recording the last video, my phone fucking died. Thank you, Android, you know how it is. And see, like I said before, Xbox just likes to turn itself on. I don't much understand that shit. I promise you I did not turn that on. But, you know what? Fuck it. It is what it is. So, my phone is currently charging right now. It is tethered to my Switch with the KKK Joy-Cons. You know. We got some shit in here. There is actually a 3DS in here because I was packing up before I did this video. So that's just a bunch of boxes. We got all my controllers in here. Hell yeah, we got fucking Xbox controller, PlayStation, Switch cum rag, cool ass N64 controller, bunch of shit. Nintendo Labo, have not touched it in like years probably. Got some peripherals. You know why you stay strapped or get clapped out in this world. You know how it is. Holy crap, I'm white. Okay, more boxes because I couldn't have enough room up here. And then so many goddamn cords. Unnecessary amount of cords. And some trash. But behind here, oh, this is where we play the music. Ho ho ho. I actually haven't touched this thing in like the Labo probably a couple years. Mario Kart poster back there. You can't really tell that though. Like I said, got the Tims, got all these games and shit. And yup. This is what the ceiling looks like. Not that that fucking matters or some shit, but I don't know. My 3DS. What am I playing right now? I think I'm... Luigi Mansion. Gotcha. Anyways, it's my mouse and keyboard. Pretty sick setup. Also, I like how this... I never noticed this before until now, but I like how this goes from green to yellow, to orange, to red, to kind of pink, then purple, and then my mouse is blue. I only just now noticed that. But anyways, that is all for this announcement. You have been warned. I'm gonna piss on your wife.